Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the case report form. A case report form is a paper or electronic questionnaire specifically used in the clinical trial research. The case report form is the tool used by the sponsor of the clinical trial to collect data from each participating patient. All data on each patient participating in a clinical trial are held and documented in the CRF, including the adverse event. The sponsor of the clinical trial develops the CRF to collect the specific data they need in order to test their hypothesis or answer their research questions. The size of the CRF can range from a handwritten one-time snapshot of a patient's physical condition to hundreds of pages of electronically captured data obtained over a period of weeks or months. It can also include required checkup visit months after the patient treatment has stopped. The sponsor is responsible for designing a CRF that accurately represents the protocol of the clinical trial as well as the managing its production, monitoring the data collection and auditing the content of the fill-in CRFs. Case report form contain data obtained during the patient participation in the clinical trial. Before being sent to the sponsor, this data is unusually de-identified, that is not traceable to the patient, by removing the patient's name, medical record, number, etc. and giving the patient's unique study number. The Supervising Institutional Review Board oversees the release of any personally identifiable data to the sponsor. From the sponsor point of view, the main logistic goal of clinical trial is to obtain accurate CRF. However, because of human and machine error, the data entered in the CRF is rarely completely accurate or entirely readable. The combat these errors, monitor are usually hired by the sponsor to audit the CRF to make sure the CRF contains the correct data. When the study administrator or automated mechanism process the CRF that were sent to the sponsor by local researcher, they make a note of queries. Queries are non-sensible or questionable data that must be explained. Example of data that would lead to a query: a male patient being on a female birth control medication or having had an abortion, or a 15 years old participant having had hip replacement surgery. Each query has to be resolved by the individual attention of a member of each local research team, as well as an individual in the study administration. To ensure quality control, these queries are usually resolved before the CRF data is included by the sponsor in final clinical study report, depending on the variable relating to the nature of the study. For example, the health of the study population. The effectiveness of the study administrator is resolving this query can significantly impact the cost of the study. That's all about the case report form. Thank you.